For a brightening boost against mold and mildew, this mix starts with hot water. Prepare to sparkle. Add a cup or so of hydrogen peroxide to the hot water in your sprayer. Spray it on the moldy spots. Mold's enemy is at work, brightening as it cleans. Give it an hour to work some magic, then rinse. Tea tree oil has loads of antifungal benefits. Let's begin our tea tree oil concoction by measuring out 1 cup of water. This forms the base of our mold-fighting solution. Now, introduce a teaspoon of tea tree oil to the water. A simple spray on affected areas. Leave it, no need to rinse. Let the natural antifungal properties do their thing. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content